Hi guys, my name is Garcia and welcome to your favorite live. This time we're going to talk about the new Billie Eilish album that is hitting social networks and all digital platforms. The day has come. Billie Eilish has just released her long-awaited second studio album, Happier Than Ever. After a successful Word Fall Asleep, Where Do You Go? The artist had not stopped tourist and released her single song Us by James Bond, collaboration with Rosalia. But now the moment of true Billie Eilish faced the difficult task of releasing a second album, and she does it with the Happy Than album that surprised you with the first listen. The album consists of 16 new songs, on which we already knew My Fury 4 AM, You Power, Lost Cause, and NEA. In fact, that empowering interlude about the female body that she debuted on her last song, last tour about abuse. The album in general has a much more subtler and elegant sound with that its processor allowed the Phineas production in always there a house brand. Billie Eilish has that she's very happy to finally be able to share her new album and that the composition and creation of it has been the most satisfactory process that she'll never leave. She has liked.